Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to set up the React project into your system. So to create this React project, we are going to use Vite build tool. We can use create React app also. We can use the Vite build tool also. But the difference between create React app, Vite, everything we will discuss later, guys. Okay. So let's create our first React project by using Vite build tool. So I have written the steps over here. Let's check it out. First, we have to make sure Node.js we have installed into our system. Why? Because your JavaScript will be executed by the JavaScript engine, where JavaScript engine is present inside the browser, right? But if you want to execute JavaScript code outside the browser, you need a JavaScript environment to execute that code, guys. So if you install Node.js into your system, it will give you the environment to execute JavaScript code outside the browser. Okay, so simply we can say this V8 JavaScript engine from the browser we are taking and inside our system we are installing. That is the meaning of downloading and installing Node.js into your system. But along with that JavaScript engine, many other packages and tools also will be installed when we will install Node.js. Okay, so what is Node.js? Installing Node.js means that JavaScript engine which is running in the browser, that JavaScript engine we are installing inside our system, so that we no need a browser to execute JavaScript code. Directly inside the system we can execute it. Okay, we will understand once we will execute our first code. You will understand everything. So let's install the Node.js first. We'll go here. Just search for Node.js. Okay, Node.js download. First we have to download, then we can install it. Okay, so download Node.js. This link you will be getting in the description. So if I scroll down, here you can check. If you are a Windows user, Windows installer.msi, this you have to install. Okay, first this you have to download. When you will download, then open the file. It will ask you, do you want to add the path to the environment variables? Click on add to path. Don't forget to click, otherwise manually we have to set it out. Okay, next you have to click next and install. That's all. These are the simple steps to install the Node.js into your system. Now if you want to confirm whether the Node.js successfully got installed or not, so I will open the VS Code here. You can open the command prompt also, that is also fine. I will take the new terminal. So you have to write simple command to confirm whether Node.js is present or not. We have to write node-v, enter. So you can check this version is already running into my system. Along with that, you have to check npm-v. Okay. So you have to check whether npm also got installed or not. So now what is this npm and all we will discuss later. But first let's make the setup ready, guys. Okay. So if you are getting here node is not recognized, or if you are getting some error here for npm, the solutions for those errors I have given in the description, means the video link I have given in the description. You just click over there, watch it out the solution, fix it, and make sure you will be getting the versions here if you check node-v and npm-v. So once you confirm Node.js is running into your system, then let's see what is the next step. I'll go back over here. Okay. So Node.js is done, node-v, npm-v is done. Now next part. Next we have to create our React project by using the command npm create. Vite is a build tool. @latest means whichever the latest version will be there, automatically it will use it. We no need to define the version. If you want specific version, you can define over here. Then this is the app name. The app name must be start with the lowercase. Okay, it should not start with the numbers, guys, and space should not be present in the app name. So this is the standard way of giving the app name, my React app. You can give whichever the app name you want. So let's create our first React app into our system by using Vite. So I will go back to the VS Code. First, make sure you will install one empty folder. Sorry, you will open one empty folder into this VS Code. Now already some files are running here, right? So inside this only one more project, don't create. Okay. So I will go to the file. We'll click on open folder. I'm going to create a new folder. I will give the folder name as React.js learn. Okay. And then 2025. Then we will select this folder. Yeah, I have created one empty folder into the VS Code. This is very important, guys. So now I will close this welcome window. We'll take the terminal again. This is the new terminal. Okay. Now inside this, we will execute the commands. I hope the terminal is visible to you. Okay. Yes, right? Fine. So this output also, I will close it. Okay. So what command we have to write? npm. Just a minute. I'll just take a new terminal properly. Okay. So npm create build tool name @latest. So this command we have to execute. I hope it is visible. See, npm create Vite @latest. The pronunciation is Vite, guys. V-E-E-T. Okay, it's not white. It is Vite. Okay. So now Vite means Vite in the French means fast. Okay. So now what features it will make fast? That is what we have to learn by this Vite, guys. Actually, it will make the performance fast. Vite means fast. So by using this build tool, we can make the performance of our project fast. Okay. Okay, understood. Now I will hit enter. Okay. So now it is asking me to enter the project name. I have told the project name should start with lowercase. So I will give the name as project name as my app. Okay, my app is the name of my project. I will hit enter. So now it is asking to choose the framework. We are going to choose the React, of course. So this is the React. Hit enter. Then select the variant, which language you are going to use. JavaScript, TypeScript, what you want. So I'm going to use the JavaScript. Hit enter. So done. Your project got created. If you wanted to check, you can check it over here. See, my app is ready here. Okay. So now next, once you create the project, 3 commands, it has been displayed over here. Change the directory to the my app, npm install, and then start the development server. So we will do the same thing. Change the directory to the my app. Then npm install. It will install all the dependencies. And then we will write npm run development server. So it will open your React project. We have to wait here. Let it install everything, whatever is required. Okay, done. So now I will write npm run dev. Hit enter. So you can check here, it has started our React project at this port number. So we'll go here, or here also you can click on follow link. Done. So the first React project successfully we have created, guys. So these steps properly you need to follow. Again, I will tell you, if you are getting the errors like npm not found or some set execution policy related error, all the error solutions, the video links I have given in the description. Kindly check it out, fix the errors, and make sure you will create your first React app into the system. In the next video, we will discuss about the complete project structure of this project. Okay. Thank you, everyone.